Hello guys, welcome back to my new videos, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up on House Party application. You can see on my screen I will show you how can you sign up or log in on your House Party application and what are the features of House Party application. I will show you show you everything in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started to the videos. So guys, first of all, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then after going to Google Play Store, you have to search here um, House Party. You can see a House Party. So after clicking on House Party, you have to download for this application. You have to see exactly this live on here. You can see here. So guys, you have to download this application. As I already downloaded, let's go here. So now guys, you can see here they are asking for sign up. So click on sign up, and after clicking on sign up, you have to fill up your email, full name, username, password, and birthday. So after clicking everything here, just click on the next button here. You can see your next button. So click in next button, and before typing your mobile number, I will suggest you have to click on the country option. You can see here, just click on the country option, and you have to select for your own country. So I don't know what country do you belong, but I belong to India, so I will just select for India now. Here is it. So I will just select for India, and then I will type my mobile number here. So after typing your mobile number, please click on the send SMS option here. So after clicking on send SMS, they will send you a confirmation code. So wait for a second, you will receive an confirmation. So here you can see here you find a confirmation code here. My confirmation code is 4131. So guys, after clicking it, it will redirect to your contact list. You can see here connect contact. So just you have to click on next here. So after clicking on next, just click on allow, and also click on next here. So it will take some few seconds. After a few seconds, it will show you this interface, and it will redirect to you on the application. So guys, you can see here it will redirect you on the Facebook, login with Facebook. So I'm logging in with logging in with Facebook. So I will just click on continue, and after clicking on continue, it will just open, it will go to your House Party application. So I have already done with the login and sign up system. So now if you want to add anyone here, so you can add they all are using uh House Party. So just let me add one of my friend. So here, after clicking here, just click on next, and then you can see here you'll find many of your friends. So now what you have to do is just click on the music and mics option. So just let me click music and mic option here. So after clicking here, you have to enable your location also. Here you can see. So after this, click to next. So here it's done. You can see here I'm on my video recording systems here. So you can play games here. You can see on the top right of your screen, you can see plus button. So if you want to play games online in video call, then you can play here. So guys, I've got one of my friends, so just click on the below of the plus button. You can see arrow sign here. You can see here you can send you haven't sent or received any message. If you message, you will find everything here. So guys, this is how you can sign in, and these are the features of House Party application. You can enjoy playing games and doing video calls and chatting with your friends. This is very cool apps that had flourished in internet today. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.